Today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries on this hunternode 400 sprinkler controller. First thing you need to do is you need to remove the protective cap, and then you'll notice it's not working when you press the program or any of the buttons. It's not doing anything. So all you need to do is just go ahead and unscrew it. And you'll notice that there are two 9-volt batteries. They do have a protective cap on them, but you just go ahead and pull that off. Then we've got these new batteries that we'll go ahead and install. You then just go ahead and make sure you put well, it's the only way it will work. You put the positive with the positive and the negative with the negative. Make sure it's on nice and snug. Again, you'll do the same thing. You then just go ahead and reinstall the batteries. And then go ahead and put the cap back on. Make sure you get it nice and snug. This protects it against any water damage. Make sure that when it goes on that you don't cross thread it. So it should screw on really easy. There you go. Then just to make sure that it's working, I will press the program button, and you can see we now have power. And that's how you change the batteries. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.